morning, Junior 2. Our lesson for today is talking about feeding baby birds. Okay, please open page 36, okay, and write date of today, 5 November 2020. Alright, have you finished Junior 2? Okay, let's read with each other. Feeding baby bird. Follow along as the teacher reads. My mom told me the birds outside our home are called swallows. Okay, this is a picture of swallows. This type of birds have strong wings and can fly for long distances. I like to watch the mother bird take care of the babies. So, who take care of baby bird? Mother bird. How mother bird can take care of baby bird? By feeding them. What's the meaning of feeding, Junior 2? Feeding, give their food. Give their food. Okay. I watch her fly in the air. So any bird can fly in water? No. On land? No. But in air. Then I see her catch a bug. Could you see this picture, Junior 2? Yes, there is bird catch a bug. Could you see this bug? Yes, by its beak. By its beak. Okay? At the nest. Okay, as we said, nest, home of what? Yes, home of birds. Okay. She uses her what? Beak. Could you see which part? This beak. To feed the babies. So, here, bird use her leg or her beak to feed babies. Her beak. Excellent, Junior 2. The bird or mother bird uses her wing to feed her babies. This is right or wrong? No, wrong. The right is to use her beak. Okay, let's see what's the meaning of swallows. Swallows, this is type of bird. Fly in water? No, fly in the air. Excellent. And see what? See bug. This is called bug. And then what happened? Catches a bug. Catches a bug. By its leg? No, by its beak. Excellent, Junior 2. And what? Feed the babies. Catches a bug by its beak and feed her babies. What's the meaning of feed? Give food to babies. Okay, excellent. So that after that we will see body parts of bird. Bird, body parts. Bird's body parts. Okay, number 1 called beak. Number 1 called beak. Number 1 called what? Beak. Excellent. Number 2 called what? Eye. Number 2 eye. Number 2 eye. Okay. Number 3, wings. Number 3, wings. Could you see this part? Yes, wings. Number 1 is beak. Number 1 is beak. Number 2 is eye. Number 2 is eye. Number 3 are wings. Number 3 are wings. Number 4, leg. Number 4, leg. Number 5, claws. Number 5, claws. Number 5, claws. Could you remember? Okay, tell me. Number 1 is beak. Number 1 is beak. Number 2 are eyes. Number 2 are eyes. Number 3, wings. Number 3, wings. Number 4, legs. Number 4, legs. Number 5, claws. Number 5, claws. Okay? So, okay, open your book, page 37. Please open your book, page 37. Please, you junior 2, write all of these and answer all of these pages, and I will see them next Sunday. Okay? Please answer these pages on your school book, please. Open page 37 and write date of today, 5 November 2020. Have you finished? Okay. The bird's body. Label the body parts. Label means write. Write their name. Okay. Let's see. We have how many body parts? Number 1, legs. Number 2, eyes. Number 3, beak. Number 4, claws. Number 5, wings. Okay, could you see this part? Beak. So I will write 3, beak. Okay, could you remember bird uses beak in what? Yes, uses its beak to feed their babies. Excellent, junior 2. Alright, this part is what? This part is what? I hear you. Eyes. Excellent. Eyes. So it can see by them. Yes, this part called what? This. Okay, excellent. Wings. 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 Excellent. Okay, and this part called what? Yes, legs. 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 Number 1, legs. Okay, and then this part called what? Yes, excellent. Claws. Claws. Number 4, claws. Claws. Okay, claws. Claws. All right. So number yes, this is number 1, leg. Number 2, eyes. Number 3, beak. Number 3, beak. Number 4, claws. Number 4, claws. Number 5, wings. Number 5, wings. Okay, so we have body parts. Again, let's revise. Beak. Beak. Eye. Eye. Wings. 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 Okay, legs. 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 Claws. 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 Okay, so we will continue our lesson by this way. There are different animals around us, uses or eat different types of food. Not all animals can eat bugs like birds. This is rabbit. Could you see this rabbit? Can eat what? Grass. Rabbit eats grass. Crocodile. crocodile have strong teeth. Can eat what? Fish live in river. And the small animals like rat, like apple, rabbit, like small animals like lizard and so on. Could you see this? Frog. Yes, frog has long tongue. Okay, this long tongue can eat what? Insects. All right. What else? Heron. Could you see this? Heron is a type of birds eat fish in its beak. Yes, can hold fish. Giraffe eats what? Could you see in its mouth what? Yes, leaves of tree. Okay, could you see this animal? Caracal is a type of cats. This caracal eats rabbit. There is rabbits holding by its teeth. So rabbit eats grass. Crocodile eats fish and small animals. Frog eats insect. Heron eats fish. Giraffe eats leaves. Caracal eats what? Eats rabbit. Okay, how the body part help the animal to obtain food? Obtain means get. Obtains means gets. This frog has what? Long tongue. To make what? To catch insects. So long tongue is a body part of frog's body. So long tongue to catch insects. Long and giraffe had long neck to reach tall trees. All right. So frog use what? Long tongue to catch insects. And giraffe has long neck to reach tall trees. Here is, could you remember the name of it? Yes, caracals. Caracals has big ears. Okay, to hear the breeze. What's the meaning of breeze? This rabbit called Bree. Bree because the caracal feed on it. Okay, this crocodile has what? Sharp teeth. What's the meaning of sharp? Very strong teeth. To what? Cut the fish. Okay? Could you remember this? Yes, heron. This heron has long beak, to catch the fish. And rabbit has strong teeth, to chew. What's the meaning of chew? The grass, to move and grind the grass. Or chew the grass. Okay? So again, alright, let's see. Me is a living thing like animals. We can eat, we can drink, we can move, we can grow and change. Excellent, Junior 2. Alright, When I having a meal, this is meal. Maybe breakfast, maybe lunch, maybe dinner. I use different body parts. I use different body parts. Like what? I use my hand. Could you see this boy? Use his hands to hold food. Hold the blue dish of fruit salad. And could you see this girl? Use her what? Her tongue to make what? To taste food. Taste food. Okay, could you see this boy? Yes, use his teeth to make what? To cut food. To cut food. Okay, this boy used teeth to cut carrot. This boy used teeth to cut carrot. So that, please open your school book, page 38, please, and write with me the date of today, 5 November 2020. The title, I Can Eat. Draw a picture of yourself eating a meal. Explain how your body parts help you eat. I will draw myself as a girl like this. Okay? And this girl having a meal on a table. Here is her spoon. Okay, I will use my what? Yes, I will use my hand. Why Junior 2? Could you see this picture? I use my hand to do what? To hold food. To hold food. Hold means catch or carry. Catch or carry. So hold means catch or carry. I use what else? Yes, I use my tongue. I use my tongue to make what? Taste. I use my tongue to taste food. I use my tongue to taste food. I use my what else? I use my what? Teeth. I use my what? Teeth. To make what? Cut food. To make what? Cut food. Please open your page 38 and draw yourself when you eating a meal and use different body parts to make different functions. This side Junior 2 called body parts. This side called body parts. And this side to make what? Functions. What's the meaning of functions? What's the meaning of functions? Job. Job of my hand, hold food. Job of my tongue, to taste food. Job of my teeth, to cut food. Alright. Please answer your school book page, please, and write the answers with me. Let's revise again the different body parts of beard. Different body parts of beard. Number 1, peak. Number 1, peak. Number 2, eyes. Number 2, eyes. Number 3, wings. Number 3, wings. Number 4, leg. Number 4, leg. Number 5, claws. Number 5, claws. There are different animals. Rabbit eat what? Grass or eat bugs? Eat grass. Crocodile eat what? Fish or frogs? Eat fish and frogs. Frogs eat grass? No, frogs eat insects. Heron eats what? Leaves? No, heron eats fish. Giraffe eats what? Eats fish? No, giraffe eats leaves. Caracal eats what? Dog? Eats cats? Eats fish? No, eats rabbit. Okay, frog has long neck or long tongue? Long tongue. Giraffe has long what? Tongue or long neck? Long neck. Caracal has big leg or big ears? Big ears. Crocodile has sharp teeth or sharp claws? Sharp teeth. Heron has long beak or long neck? Long beak. Rabbit has strong ears or strong teeth? Strong teeth. Okay, when I eating a meal, I use different body parts. I can use what? I can use my hand, these body parts, to make a function or job, which is hold the food. I use my tongue to taste food, so this body part and this what? Job or function of tongue. I use my teeth to cut food, so food is job or function of teeth. And finally, please don't forget to draw with me you having a meal in this page 38 and write with me these words. I use my hand to hold food. I use my tongue to taste food. I use my teeth to cut food. Okay, thank you, Junior 2. I hope you enjoy with the lesson. Thank you.